Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know, I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. Just wanted to say, hi, is everybody doing? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Um, Man, weekend was cool. You know, nice and relaxing. You know, back to the grind, seeing we can buy some cars. Lately, it's been kind of slow, and the prices of used cars. I don't know if you guys are paying attention. I know if you're really not buying cars like that all the time, or if you're not a car dealer, and if you buy, maybe you don't really see, but the prices, like, or if you just ever just go on your marketplace and just be scrolling, like, man, why is the price? I don't understand it. Why the prices of cars are still up like crazy like it is. I really don't get it, but uh, not gonna focus on that too much. It is it is. What it is. The car business goes up and down in waves, so that's why this video right here, I'm just gonna be asking you guys, what are some investments or books have y'all read? Cause me, I don't wanna, I don't wanna be in the car business. Like I look at it, a lot of people they be still in it, 50, 60, and I always keep telling myself, I don't mind it. It's because it's not a physical business, because I'm not a mechanic, so I'm not actually like working on cars. I can just take a car to the shop and fix it. So it's really not any like hard work. It's just, you know, buy a car, get it ready for sale, but thing is, like, you can buy. I would tell people, like, it can, like, this business is so good, but let you buy four bad cars in a row, 3 4 bad cars in a row, and see, like, that'll just throw a wrench in everything. Like 3 4 bad cars in a row, boom, boom, boom. It can just really just diminish everything that you really just build. So it goes up and down. So this video, I just want to ask you guys, like, what are some books that y'all reading about investing, or if y'all know anything about like retirement accounts and stuff like that, like a Roth IRA, or anything that I can read, because I want to start investing more. I want to start like money now, like, because these savings accounts, like, because that's what I want to start doing more videos about too. Giving out more advice about like savings account and like investing. So I want to see what you guys know about investing, so y'all can pass on to me, so then I can start doing some research, and then start showing, doing more research and studying, and then bringing it more to you guys, because I downloaded this app. It's called Tellus. It's not FDIC insured, so it's not like insured like a bank or nothing like that. It's just an app. I put $250 in there, and it's saying that it's supposed to give you like a 7%, eight. I mean 6 or 7%. And it's supposed to give you like daily interest. So I think I'm gonna start doing YouTube shorts every day about how much, like, daily, like how much has the account earned daily. So then I'm gonna start doing other investments. So if it's anything investing that y'all can let me know that I can start doing, cause I'm gonna like I said, I'm gonna give my PayPal account. I'm gonna do a PayPal savings. They got a high yield savings account, so I'm gonna learn more about like what it actually is, instead of just putting my money in. Like, so I'm putting small amounts until I like learn, but I know like it's a high yield savings account through PayPal. So I'm gonna put like $125 in there. That I want to show that I think I might put it on, like, I think I'm gonna put it back on like recurring, because I kind of just wanted to figure it out. So I'm gonna put it like 125 in there, and then I'm gonna put it recurring, that every month that it gets 125, and then I'm gonna see how much that interest gets. Then I'm gonna start another high yield savings account somewhere else. I don't know where. I think I'm gonna put 125 there, 125 there, so that's 250 there. Then it's gonna be 250 there, and then I'm gonna just see which one, and then I'm gonna just track the progress, because I know the savings account, they're probably gonna go like every month, but I'm gonna do the one on this Tellus app, because this is the one that's not insured. So this is the one that I'd rather just check on it's better if I just check on it and give it an update every day. So I'm gonna start doing a YouTube short every day, just basically showing like how much money has it gained. And then it's like also another account where you can invest, like where they say like put 1,000 in and you can lock it in for a duration, and it collects money every day. And then it's one where it's like the minimums, like the high boost or whatever it is. It's like $2,500 to invest in that one. So first I'm gonna use the 250. See how this one just stacks up every day. Just show you my progress. I'm not promoted by this app. You know, I don't like, it's not a paid promotion. I don't make any money. I'm just looking at different stuff because as I get older, I wanna be out of here. I don't want to just be keep around here buying and selling cars and stuff like that. Like, you know, like I said, I don't mind it, but I don't want to just be doing it forever in a day, you know. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If y'all got any good books that y'all read, you know, just drop the name of the books in the comments. You know, any good books y'all know about investing, stocks, trading, any of that stuff, because I want to learn more of that stuff so then I can learn it, put my time into it, just like I put in, you know, buying and selling these cars and giving y'all advice about selling cars. I want to put more of that, do that for you guys. And then also this car, like this, I want to give it more advice. And then I want to just find me like one or two cars. Like, I'll still show cars that I buy from here and there, and I'll do like more auction. But I'm trying to find like the Firebird. It was like, I liked it, but it wasn't really like something that I really wanted. So I'm gonna find me like one or two, like maybe like an old little Chevy pickup and like another car, and then those will be the car that I'm gonna just build for the channel, and just want to just focus on like building up a car and giving out some advice. So I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I'm out. Peace.